Welcome to our instructional video on how to factorize the quadratic equation 2x squared plus 11x plus 5. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to factorize this equation using the method of factoring by grouping. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of how to factorize quadratic equations and solve for their roots. So let's get started. To factorize the equation 2x squared plus 11x plus 5, we start with the expression as is. The goal is to rewrite it in a form that makes it easier to factor by splitting the middle term. First, we need to multiply the leading coefficient, which is 2, by the constant term, which is 5. This gives us 2 times 5 equals 10. We then need to find two numbers that multiply to 10 and add up to the middle coefficient, which is 11. The two numbers that fit these criteria are 10 and 1. Therefore, we rewrite the middle term, 11x, as the sum of 10x and 1x. This transforms our original equation into 2x squared plus 10x plus 1x plus 5. Now, let's move to step 2. With our expression altered, we have 2x squared plus 10x plus 1x plus 5. In this step, we will group the terms to prepare for factoring by grouping. Group the first two terms together and the last two terms together. This gives us 2x squared plus 10x grouped in one part and 1x plus 5 grouped in another part. From the first group of terms, which is 2x squared plus 10x, we factor out the greatest common divisor. The greatest common divisor is 2x. So factoring that out, we get 2x times the quantity x plus 5. In the second group, which is 1x plus 5, the greatest common divisor is just 1. So we factor out 1, giving us 1 times the quantity x plus 5. Now, our expression reads 2x times the quantity x plus 5 plus 1 times the quantity x plus 5. Notice how we have a common factor of x plus 5. We can now factor that out, which simplifies our expression to the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity 2x plus 1. This means our original equation 2x squared plus 11x plus 5 is factorized as the quantity x plus 5 times the quantity 2x plus 1. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.